The Washington Post is owned by the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos, and they're being taken to court by this 16-year-old seeking $250 million. A lawyer for the plaintiff tells us this, quote, Nick Sandmann is 16 years of age, 5'9" in height, and weighs 115 pounds. The school field trip to the nation's capital was the first out-of-state trip Nick had ever taken without being with his family. He did nothing to deserve being attacked, vilified, and bullied. Nothing. Nicholas Sandmann is the student seen in a screenshot shared around the world, seized on by many social media users who believed it showed a young white man's act of defiance interfering with a Native American protester. But that storyline quickly fell apart, and in the court filing we've seen, Sandmann's attorneys allege that the only reason he was singled out is because, you see it there, he's wearing a red and white Make America Great Again hat. One key paragraph alleges this. The Post wanted to lead the charge against this child because he was a pawn in its political war against its political adversary, a war so disconnected and beyond the comprehension of Nicholas that it might as well have been science fiction. In a statement, the Washington Post tells Fox, we are reviewing a copy of the lawsuit and we plan to mount a vigorous defense. And the Washington Post is just the first of many outlets or personalities Sandmann plans to sue. That's according to his lawyer, who is relying on a private investigator's findings that Sandmann never did anything wrong. And the Sandmann team thinks the Washington Post should have done more digging before framing a 16-year-old as an aggressor.